right. Hopefully, this is much better than last time I was going to start. All right, today we're going to zoom in one part of that self-care that we all deal with every day, eating as wheelchair users. So whatever you think, what do you think that you're eating? What do you think? Because taking care of your body, also means making sure your meals are manageable, comfortable, and fit your life. So that's important also to think. So let's see where we go. Some ideas. The first thing to think about is how you sit and reach your food. So that's important. Sit upright, or if possible, possible. So sit upright if you can. Make sure your feet are supported. So, if you're sitting, and have everything correctly, then you're going to be able to eat better. So something very important to think. Bring food to over yourself instead of stretching or twisting. So think about what's going out your body. What are you doing? What are you moving? What's going on? Small adjustments like these make eating easier and more comfortable. So, to think about where you're going, what you're doing, and to find a nice place to sit and not to be pulling yourself and moving and thinking about something else and moving things all over the place. No, just sit down calmly to eat something. So think about that way. Sitting up your space. Sitting up your space. Next, or organize your eating space so it works for you. Keep a lap tray, if some of you need it. A lap tray handy if needed, so that hopefully that will help you. Make sure utensils, cups, and plates are within reach. So have things, sometimes some of you can only do it by one hand. Some of you a little bit from one and a little bit from the other. So you gotta be, in a way that things are gonna work. Avoid awkward, angles that make eating tired and tiring. So that's for sure. That happens to me. Making your space work for your save energy and frustration. So sometimes food, you gotta figure out what you need about your piece of food. And that was happening to me yesterday, this afternoon, sorry, about what kind of this food was and how I didn't even know what it was. So I had to ask, what was this thing? What was I eating it? So So that was the first one. Energy and simplicity. So, and that was my first time. What were we sitting? What we're eating this thing? What is it? Some days you won't have the energy, the big meals, and that's okay. So that's good. Choose simple, easy to prepare. That's for sure. Eat smaller portions throughout the day. Allow yourself breaks if needed. So sometimes I do that. I eat little pieces and then later I'll have something else. But sometimes I can't eat the whole thing. I don't know what it is. Like today, I wasn't sure. What was I eating it? Self-care includes not overdoing it. So be careful of your food. Tools to make life easier. So adaptive tools can make a big difference. And for sure, if you need bigger tools, do you need smaller tools? Do you need something special for, tools? Then think about it. You can ask somebody to get that for you. Easy grip utensils, non-slip, plates or bowls, lightweight cups, so that might help. In our group, that's in the afternoon, is we have glass, so I'm always making sure that I don't slip it. These aren't extra. They help you to stay independent and comfortable. So that's important when you do that. Hydration matters. So really for all of us, don't forget your drinks. Water, juice. Some of you who do wine, if you live in France, you live in Germany, some of you use, you use that. You use wine. Keep water or your favorite beverage nearby. Sorry, my speech here. If it's hard to reach, you're probably skip it. So maybe later, when other people are not watching me, but hydration is a key part of self-care. So you got to figure out how you're going to do that. So that's important. All right. So let's think this through. Eating well isn't about perfection. So for sure, that is for sure. It's about making your meals manageable, comfortable, and supportive of your energy and health. So really important about those pieces of what you ate or what you eat. Just don't eat all of this or don't just eat all these, but figure out what pieces are going to be healthy for you. And everybody is a little different depending on how they lived. If this helped you, think of like like for us, like, for me, that helps. Subscribe. That also helps a little bit if you want to be part of the, part of us. So, and share it with someone who might need it, and the information might be helpful to them. And remember, self-care isn't just one thing. It's everything you do to take care of yourself every day. So to make well, to watch yourself, and to care about what you need. So, and what you're eating is also very, very important. So think about what you're eating and what you're not eating that you should eat. So think about it. And let's talk about it next time to see how you're doing. And I'll talk about how I ate. So, all right, we'll see you all. Take care. And I hope to see everyone is doing well. And I'll see you next week.